If you're doing any kind of electrical work, this kit gives you 3 essential tools all in one. What's up, guys? Today we're checking out the ETK Electrical Toolkit. This kit comes with 3 tools, a digital multimeter, a non-contact voltage tester, and an outlet tester. So you've got everything you need for troubleshooting electrical issues at home or on the job. First up, the outlet tester. Just plug it in. It instantly shows if the wiring is correct or if there is an issue. Also checks GFCI outlets, which is great for kitchens and bathrooms. Next is the non-contact voltage tester. Just bring it close to a wire or an outlet, and it will alert you with a light and sound if there is power. No direct contact needed, which makes it safer. Then you got the digital multimeter. This lets you test voltage, current, resistance, continuity, and more. The screen is backlit, so it's easy to read, even in low light. This is great for checking outlets, diagnosing issues, or doing general electric work. Perfect for homeowners, DIYers, or even professionals who want a simple all-in-one kit. Overall, super convenient, having all 3 tools together, and it covers pretty much everything you need. I highly recommend this toolkit. You should definitely get you one.